Good morning and welcome to the class. We are going to proceed the same chapter, chapter 9, Agriculture in India. In the previous class, we had discussed two major food crops, namely wheat and rice. Now we are going to discuss two more major food crops in India, which are produced in India. One of them is, that is third number, maize. Now see, first of all, maize is a kharif crop, okay, and it is grown in the monsoon season, okay. Now it is used as food crop also, okay. It comes under the both the category, food crop as well as commercial crop. Now you can ask that why it is used as commercial crop, okay. Why? Because it is used as raw material. It is used as raw material in the starch and glucose manufacturing industries. You have to learn this, okay. Why it is used as, it is called commercial crop. It is used as raw material in the, okay, starch and glucose manufacturing industries, okay, and it is also used as fodder. ठीक है, मक्का को फॉडर के रूप में भी इस्तेमाल किया जाता है, ओके. इंडिया ऑक्युपाइज, India has which position? 10th position. Which position? 10th position in maize production. In maize production. Okay, now we are going to see about the temperature, rainfall and soil, okay. How much temperature it requires? It requires nearly 15 degree to 35 degree centigrade of temperature. 15 degree to 35 degree of centigrade temperature. Let's see about the rainfall, okay. 50 to 100 centimeter rainfall. 50 to 100 centimeter of rainfall. Now which type of soil it needs? Okay, soil, it need nitrogen rich soil. Which type? Nitrogen rich soil. As you know that the soil which has the large quantity of nitrogen, okay, it is required by which crop? Maize crop, okay. It is the kharif crop. I write here kharif crop. Okay. Now see, nitrogen increases the fertility of soil. That's why it is very essential for this. Okay. Now we are going to see that major state. First of all, I tell you one thing also, that it has been brought in India by Portuguese, okay, brought in India by Portuguese. It is not the production of India, okay. It has been brought in India by Portuguese. Now we are going to write major state of maize production, that is Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, MP, Madhya Pradesh, UP, and some part of Rajasthan and Punjab also we can see. Actually, these are the states These are the state which produces in large quantity of like we can say that maize. Other state also there. Okay, now we are going to see that Rajasthan is also there, and now we are going to see district. In the some district it is produced. Okay, now which district? Let's see. Kota, Bundi, Baran, Jhalawad, Udaipur, Chittorgarh, Dungarpur, Banswara, then Hanumangarh, Ganganagar, and Ajmer, etc. These are the major district of Rajasthan which produces maize. Okay, now we are going to see that India has 10th position in maize production. It means there is insufficient production of maize, and if there is insufficient maize production, it means it cannot export to other countries. It cannot export to foreign or other countries. We can write here. Okay. So it's very simple, not so difficult. Okay. This is Kharif crop. It is used as food crop also and commercial crop. It comes under the both the category. It is used as commercial crop. Why? Why it is called commercial crop? Because it is used as raw material. Okay. Now India has 10th position, very behind it is. Okay, and temperature 15 degree to 35 degree centigrade it needs the temperature. How much rainfall? 50 to 100 centimeter rainfall it needs. Nitrogen contained soil. Nitrogen containing soil is suitable for the production of maize. Okay, cultivation of maize. Now major producing state: Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, MP, UP, Rajasthan and Punjab. Okay, then in the Rajasthan, which district produces maize? Kota, Bundi, Baran, Jhalawad. Okay, these are the Hadoti areas which produces maize. And then Udaipur, Chittorgarh, Dungarpur, Banswara, Hanumangarh, Ganganagar and Ajmer. These are the major producing district of Rajasthan. And after that we see that it was brought in India by Portuguese. It was brought in India by Portuguese. So I hope you understand about the maize production. You have to learn them properly. I will ask the question regarding this. Okay. Now the next one, next major food crop is millet. We will we will discuss about millet. Okay, millet means that is बाजरा हम लोग use करते हैं, we use it. Okay, we use it as food crop and as well as fodder also. This is the fourth major food crop. Okay, first was wheat, second was rice, okay, third was maize and fourth is millet. Now let's see about the millet. First of all, as you know that it is also a kharif crop. Okay, it is also a kharif crop. It is also grown in the month of June and July and harvested in the month of October to November. It is also used as food as well as fodder. Now see, actually millet need less water. Millet need less water, but it need high temperature. Temperature high or water less. It means it need which type of climate? Hot and dry climate. Hot and dry climate. It means अब ये देख सकते हैं आप कि गर्मी तापमान ज़्यादा है लेकिन क्लाइमेट कैसा है? बारिश कम है. That's why it need which type of climate? Hot and dry climate. Okay. Now let's see temperature. Okay. Rainfall and soil. Okay. Now temperature is 25 to 35 degree centigrade temperature it needs. 25 to 35. Okay. Rainfall, it needs less rainfall. It means 40 to 60 only. 40 to 60 centimeter rainfall, and it needs light soil. Means the soil which contain less water, it means it will be light. Okay. Or we can say that either soil, there may be either soil. Okay. Now you see that if there is so less water needed by millet, okay, it means it can be grown in the desert area also. Okay. Now we are going to see states. Major states. States of India. स्टेट्स लिख देते हो. चलो ठीक है. नाउ मेजर स्टेट्स देखते हैं हम लोग इसके अंदर. तो मेजर स्टेट जो है ऑब्वियस बात है राजस्थान. एक्चुअली राजस्थान ऑक्युपाइज फर्स्ट प्लेस इन द मिलेट प्रोडक्शन. ओके. देन गुजरात, महाराष्ट्र. Okay, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra and UP. These are the major state which produces large quantity of millet. Now there are other state also which produces less quantity of millet. MP, okay, then Andhra Pradesh, and MP, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka. These are different. Many more are there. Okay. These are the different other state. But we can say that most of the millet, 60-70% millet are produced by these state. Okay. Now we are going to see district. As you know that it needs less rainfall, it means it can be grown in the less rainfall area. So we can write here some names, that is Badmer, Jaisalmer. These are the desert area and you know that there is the less rainfall. Okay. Bikaner, Jodhpur, Sikar, Jhunjhunu, Jalore, Alwar, Jaipur, etc. These are the major district which produces millet. Okay. Now what place is occupied by India in the millet production? India occupies first position. First position in which production? Millet production. And in India, which state occupies the first top position? Then we can write here Rajasthan. Rajasthan has top position. Rajasthan has top position in the millet production. If you cannot see here, maybe I write here. I think it's top position or first position, you can write here first also, okay, in millet production. Now see, it's very simple, not so difficult. It is the kharif crop, it is the use as food and as well as fodder, okay, and it can be grown in the hot and dry climate. You know that mostly it needs high temperature and less rainfall. That's why the climate may be hot and dry. The temperature 25 to 35 degrees centigrade, rainfall 40 to 60 centimeter, very less rainfall. Then soil, it needs light soil, okay. Then major state Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, UP, these are the major millet producing state. And beside this, okay, there are other state also, that is MP, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and other. Okay, now which are the major district, that is Badmer, Jaisalmer, Bikaner, Jodhpur, Sikar, Jhunjhunu, Jalore, Alwar, Jaipur and Hanumangarh, we can say that Ganganagar, etc. Okay, India occupies first position in millet production, okay, and in India Rajasthan has the top position or first position in millet production. So these are about the major food crops. In the next class we are going to study about the commercial crop. Okay, I hope all of you understand and please attend all the class very attentively. I hope you all understand. Thank you.